Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start the raid by assigning roles and loading gear. Do this now so nothing delays engagement. Pick a tank to soak hits, DPS to burst, and a healer to sustain. That balance prevents wipes. Once done, equip your best fruit and ranged weapons, plus revive items. These give you comeback options. Make sure to spawn as close as possible to the target island, coordinate timers, and approach using cover or fast boats. This reduces early alert and sets you up for a clean first strike. Once engaged, concentrate fire on healers, then high damage players. Eliminating heals collapses their sustain. You should chain crowd control into area of effect bursts to maximize damage windows. Start with stuns or pulls, then detonate AoE skills. Make sure to alternate fruit abilities to create skill resets and prevent predictable patterns. Rotate cooldowns so someone always has a defensive ready, and kite using boats or obstacles when low. This conserves resources and forces opponents into inefficient fights. To finish, prioritize securing loot and reviving any downed teammates immediately. Do not brawl over drops. Once looted, execute your extraction plan, use the fastest boat or a safe warp, and have a decoy if enemies pursue. Make sure to inventory check and redistribute gear so the team is ready for the next run. If things go wrong, stop and debug. Identify whether wipes came from poor positioning, missing crowd control, or timing errors. Then adjust roles and rehearse the exact combos that failed before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.